Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how to stop apps from tracking you on your iPhone. To stop any apps from tracking you on your iPhone is very simple. The very first thing I want you to do, I want you to go to the settings on your iPhone. So let's open up my settings here. So once you open up your settings on your iPhone, this is where it will take you to. So what I want you to do here, I want you to scroll down. Continue scrolling down. So you're going to see privacy and security. I want you to tap on that privacy and security. So once you tap on that privacy and security, it will load up another page for you. Once it loads up this page for you, at the top here, you are going to see where it says tracking. So I want you to tap on that tracking. So let's tap on tracking. So once you tap on tracking, if you check the top here, you can see where it says allow apps to request to track. Make sure this is turned off. Make sure allow apps to request to track is turned off. Once you make sure that this is turned off, this will prevent any apps from tracking you on your iPhone. So guys, this is how to actually stop any apps from tracking you on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.